Hello and welcome to this short clip about Gura Portiței. We did mention it in the earlier video about the Danube Delta, but the place is so beautiful it's worthy of a short clip of its own, and for two specific points which I will raise at the very end. The only way to get to Gura Portiței is by boat from Jurilovka. If you look at the map, you might think you can actually drive there, but that's not possible. It's not on the mainland and it's not an island. It's actually a sandbar between the Black Sea and the Danube Delta. These photographs of birds were all taken from the boat. The boat ride is actually quite nice on its own. The boat brings you to a dock, and then you have to walk the rest of the way to the sea. When we got there, we saw this group of people who had reached before us, and they had dogs with them. We thought the dogs were with them, and that's what I will discuss at the very end. Lots of seashells. Everywhere you step on is from small to huge size. And you can see here how rough the sea was that day. These blackbirds are looking for something to eat between the seashells. And I think at this point one is successful. There were of course many other birds on the beach, seagulls and even crows from the city. And here you see the first problem. Litter on the beach. It's a beautiful natural reserve. Why people leave things behind, I really don't understand. Let's see if you can name this beautiful bird before we reveal the name later on in the clip. This ends the clip, but we would like to leave you with this message from the expedition team. Please don't leave trash behind in such a beautiful place, or any place. People are causing so much damage to this beautiful planet. Respect the environment. Second, please don't leave pets behind. This poor abandoned dog was just eager to play, was so friendly. Why would anyone leave such a dog behind? Thank you.